Hi, I'm attorney Gary Netskin with Credit Repair Lawyers of America. Last week I closed on my purchase of Arizona Credit Law Group, and I couldn't be happier. While Rochelle Polton and I are both credit repair attorneys, we go about it a little bit differently, and we've got different programs in our offices. Now that we've acquired Arizona Credit Law Group, we've now combined these programs, and here's what we can offer you as our new clients. One is a free review of your credit reports. If we find something on it that we think we can challenge, we will, and we'll get these negatives off your credit report for free. Two is our Autopilot Program. There's nothing like it anywhere else. Give us your Credit Karma credentials and we'll look at your credit reports every 2 months and see if there's some negatives we can get rid of. If there are, we'll send the dispute letters at no charge to you, and if we can get them taken off, great. Third is our No Out of Pocket Litigation Program. With this program, we sue credit bureaus, debt collectors, and debt furnishers for reporting information on your credit report that's inaccurate. And we get our fees and costs at the end of the case and only from the money that we're able to obtain on your behalf. Finally is the Debt Settlement Program. If you're drowning in debt, let us throw you a lifeline and get you out. Call or email me today, attorney Gary Netskin. My contact information is below. Looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.